Welcome back to the Raymond Report. Today we're going to check back in on our little sprouters we started and do a quick update. Look at the fruits of our labor, and we're going to talk about an easy way to grow carrots. So it's day 3 of our new sprouting jars. And as you can see, we're starting to get some sprouts. Very excited. So these things are working pretty good. And I'll give you another update when we get further along in the process. Today's Raymond Report Fresh Breakfast is brought to you by Pre-Woke Land O'Lakes. It's the only butter for us. Well, we got fresh sprouts and fresh eggs from our chickens, and potatoes we cut up and made hash browns, and some organic English muffins. And our wonderful reminder of Tom Brady leaving the Patriots. Soon to be joined by Edelman. So this is Marigold, my bad chicken. Let's go. Come on. Back to the nest. You know the rules. Back in with the others. Let's go. Oh. We got some egg protection going on. Hey, brown sugar. What's up, buddy? Oh, we got some laying. Good job. Do your job. Tomato update. Plants are looking good. They're looking good. Our little tomato forest is making me happy. Today, we're going to talk about growing carrots a little bit. And this is a pot I started a month ago and just kind of set outside early season, you know, and they're doing their thing. But we're going to talk about how you can easily grow carrots in pots like this, no problem, and succeed. So I like to grow my carrots in these pots right here. Super easy. Step 1 is prepare your soil. You know, now this stuff's already pretty ready to go because I was working on it. But, you know, you want a nice, easily drained, loose soil. Step 2. Get an old piece of chicken wire and cut it into a circle the size of your pot. Step 3. Put your chicken wire circle down in your pot, and it's going to make a nice little grid like this. Next, we're going to work with your seeds. And we're going to place a seed in, you know, every other grid. Make a nice little pattern. You know, it's okay if you drop a couple seeds in there because carrots don't have 100% germination rate, and this is why I tend to like put one in every grid, because they're not all gonna sprout. But this way we're gonna guarantee some carrots, and we got a nice controlled environment. And these babies are gonna grow easily. A last step, gently cover it with a little 1/4 inch, just a little bit of composted up soil, and voila! Give her some water, keep her watered up while the seeds are germinating, you know, and once your seeds start to germinate, kind of dial back on your water a little bit, and you're gonna get some carrots. Once you've grown your carrots, like 60 to 70 days in most species, you can easily preserve your carrots yourself and sustain your family. You can have fresh carrots, make some soup. Great crop to easily grow so you can sustain yourself. And remember, folks, the more you know, the less you dough.